Hey everyone, it's me again and welcome to Faith's Finds. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my little corner of the internet. My name's Faith Grenade and I put makeup videos here on YouTube sometimes. And you should subscribe and hit that little bell icon down below. It'll notify you every time I upload so you don't miss a minute of this riveting action. I haven't put on my tinted sunscreen yet. Like, my skin is looking pretty good. Good job, skin. Knock on wood. So today you've stumbled across Faith's Finds, which is usually a haul or an unboxing of some kind. And go figure, just when I talk about how difficult it is to get uncanny creatures these days, I end up finding and, I end up somehow getting 2 uncanny creatures in a very short span of time. So you all met my last uncanny creature last week or the week before that, one of the two, and sure enough, I went to my mailbox earlier this week and I got another box with fragile tape on it, which means I got another uncanny creature. So for those of you who are not familiar with these videos, I've made several of them now. Uncanny creatures are these little collectible sculptures essentially, and they are meant to bridge the uncanny valley, which is sort of the valley between real and artificial. So they're very, very kind of creepy, cute aesthetic. If you're into that, definitely check out the artist who does these, Anna. She's absolutely fantastic. She's great at communicating. She's on Etsy, but I will warn you, her stuff flies off the shelves very quickly. She can only really produce somewhere between 3 and 5 of these at a time, and they go like, very, very quickly. So I'm really excited about this one because I know exactly which one it is, and I'm shocked that I managed to get this. Because as soon as I saw the design snuck on her Facebook page, I was like, oh man, that's gonna completely disappear off the shelf so quickly. And I managed to happened to be online at the right time, and there you have it. So she packs everything meticulously well in an entire box of packing peanuts. And it's just been great to see how she evolves over time because the uncanny creatures have changed so much in that time. All right, ready? Opening up the tissue paper now. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. So this happened, this creature was born in June, which of course is Pride Month. And so, naturally, June being LGBT Pride Month, she made a rainbow uncanny creature. I'm dead. I mean, can you even right now? Like, he is so perfect. Oh my god, look at his little mustache and his little hair. And his hair is like a little messed up, and I kind of love it. It's sort of where the, the line where the red and the orange meet at the top of the head has like little cowlicks sewn into it. Like, how realistic is that? It's like, it's not perfect. It's got little cowlicks sewn into it, and that's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm dying. Yeah, and then like when you try to straighten the hair, you get like this bedhead effect. I'm dead. And the hair on the front is kind of parted in such a way that it looks intentional. Like, it definitely, everything was done for a reason. You can tell that none of her stuff is rushed. He's got some little spiky fur sticking out of either of his arms. Some of the fur does shed a little bit, but that's not anything that is a mark on her or her craftsmanship. That's just the nature of these beasts. But it looks like this one sheds a little bit more than the other ones do. So I'm just gonna have to keep that in mind. But the fur is so soft. I mean, so soft. And these are as big as I've seen her uncanny creatures. This one is the same size as the last one we just got, so it's nice and big and nice and dense. And his little face is so cute. He's got one green eye and one blue eye, and then a yellow mouth with, of course, the characteristic realistic teeth. It does, definitely look like there was a considerable amount of work put into this creature. I am a little concerned about the shedding. I'm hoping that's not a permanent thing because it seems like some of the hair is kind of coming out in clumps, but I don't think that's anything to do with the craftsmanship of the creature or anything like that. I think that has more to do with just the way the, you know, fur is and what kind of faux fur she got. But I'd have to imagine it's pretty difficult to find like Kelly green faux fur. But you know, as long as I'm not literally like pinching and pulling, it's not really coming out, and it's not creating any bald patches or anything like that. It's literally just excess fuzz that will happen when faux fur is cut. Some shedding is inevitable, but this guy is so cute. I almost want her to create like even more Pride themed Uncanny Creatures. I would love to see a trans Pride one. I would love to see an ace Pride one. I think those color schemes would look great in Uncanny Creature form, and it's really cool to see this particular evolution because she's actually using multiple colors now. Normally she uses one color of faux fur and then the rest is accessories, so it's really cool to see her develop this technique of using multiple colors of fur in the same creature. I feel like this is going to open her up to so many new opportunities for artistic growth, but this is so cute. Are you not dead? I'm dead. Look at the ombre on the back. Like, are you kidding me? That is a rainbow Uncanny Creature. Anyway, I am so obsessed with this little guy. I'm so happy that I got him. I can't believe I actually got him because this is the first time that she's ever done rainbow themed Uncanny Creatures. So I thought I was gonna miss this for sure because I knew this was going to go very, very quickly. But like I said, I just so happened to be online at the right time and hit that order button before anyone else did, and I feel very lucky to have gotten this because it is so cool. The hair is styled in such a way that is very intentional. It's kind of, you know, intentionally disheveled and looks a little off, but that's the whole point of her creatures. Like, it's supposed to look a little strange. And I love these little cowlicks up here. They're so cute. Anyway, this is the Uncanny Creature of the week. He needs a name. So if you guys want to try to name this Uncanny Creature, go ahead and put your name ideas in the comments. I have a habit of choosing, you know, names that my subscribers pick, so I would love for you guys to name this one. I'm leaning towards Harvey, like Harvey Milk, one of the LGBT, you know, rights organizational icons. He's kind of like an LGBT rights legend guy. So I'm leaning towards Harvey, but you guys tell me what you think. What should this guy's little name be? Leave it in the comments, and I'll definitely take a look at them and take them into account as well. That is the video for this week. That is the creature for this week. Makeup themed videos will be forthcoming. K-pop themed videos will be forthcoming. There's a lot of video ideas that I have kicking around, and I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff in the coming months. I've got a lot of trips coming up, so I'm going to be, you know, documenting those things. But in the meantime, I hope you guys found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining. If you did, there's a button for that. Spank that like button in the butt. You know it deserves it. And if you want to see more from me, you've got a couple options. You can click the videos on either side of my head to binge if you're bored or bummed out, or hey, you can hit that button that looks like my face and subscribe and become a member of the Faithful today. I put out new videos every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Toodles!